Wike, I have not seen him in court before. I don't trust his interpretation of the law. J.K. Pele. Hey, J.K. Pele, a public affairs analyst, has expressed strong doubts about Minister Wike's position on the upcoming local government elections in Rivers State. During an interview with Channels Television, Epelle responded to Wike's recent comments, where the minister insisted that the elections were legal and that anyone who disagreed should go to court. Epelle disagreed with that view, saying, "I'm not a lawyer, and Minister Wike is. But this time, I've not seen him in court before." Nobody has seen Wike in court before. "I don't trust his interpretation of the law." He further added that Wike has never actually won any court case about whether a process is legal or not, which makes him question the minister's claim. Yes, that is a lawyer. No, but which case has Wike ever won? Has he even practiced as a lawyer before? I don't think so. Epelle went on to criticize the entire local government election process in Rivers State, saying it has already failed the test of legality, morality, and even common sense. He believes the process is unfair and doesn't really represent the will of the people. He also described the situation as something out of a movie, joking that what is happening in Rivers State is like an epic movie. Part 3, a story written in Abuja, filmed in presidential villa, and directed from Wike's bedroom. No be small, directed from Wike's bedroom. Epelle warned that it is the people of Rivers State who will suffer the most if the election is not handled fairly. So the ones already suffering it the most now. That one is no, there's no question about that one. They are really suffering it right now. Charles Ayer says, "Go to court" is a phrase used by Emperor Wike. Yes, now he's always the one telling people to go to court. Emperor Wike to affirm that nothing will happen because the judiciary is in their pockets and will do their bidding. The Rivers ruling class, their elites, and regular people are very good at noise making and gra-gra, but they are cowards in reality. One man's greed and ambition has brought the entire state, and by extension, the country, to his knees. And I'm telling you, the man is so greedy. The man is so greedy. How can you want to be controlling 23 local governments areas? Why? You're not even there again. You're not the governor of the state. You have gone on to become a minister in Abuja. What exactly are you looking for, Wike? What exactly are you looking for? Putting a whole state, putting them to ransom, removing the governor of the state, putting somebody else there just because you want to control the local government, just because you want everything to be coming into your pocket. Meanwhile, when you were there, nobody did that to you. The man has to be stopped. His arrogance and self-entitlement is a dangerous precedent. I'm telling you, the arrogance is too much. The greediness is too much. That Ike says, he bought law certificate and cannot practically defend it in court. I'm telling that man, I've said it before that it probably is only his wife that studied law. That picture that they are always seeing with his wife wearing this thing. That man did not really study law. He's just slampering people. I'm sure that he definitely bought that law certificate. Definitely. Look, well, how will you even defend in court if I don't? Can you defend in court? Oh, I beg you, that man, it is well. Everyone says, ha 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 ha. Someone says, Wike, motor park lawyer. No, it's not motor park lawyer. It is the old person says, yeah, an albino man. What's wrong with an albino man? You they see anything for afternoon? How can you see Wike in the court when you know they see anything for afternoon? Albino too they talk. What is wrong with albino talking? I don't understand. Have you ever seen Wike in court defending anybody? Did he practice the law that he said he did? Did he practice it? Have you ever seen him defended anybody? I beg. Who know if he even went to a law school safe? Telu Philip says, Wike has successfully surrounded himself with good lawyers and legal researchers. He must not go to court for him to have an insightful knowledge of law. Severe talk. He does not have to go to court to have an insightful knowledge of the law. What I saying? Lawyers that go to school for 4 years, then go to what's it called? School of Law, whatever it is that they call it. You think they are going there to joke, Abi? Ndubisi Nwaboko says, your praise with his wallet and from the background, the court cases. True, he has never practiced for one day, but he knows all the judges' birthday. Because he don't settle all of them now. They are inside his pocket. All of them. Oyediro says, one case, ke, for where? For where? Hey, Aso says, can't really understand some people. When they don't have anything to say, they look for one thing to cover up. What's there to cover up? Eh? Yes, you have to see Wike in court to confirm that he's a practicing lawyer. Or does he have a chamber? Eh? Does he have a chamber? Has he practiced law anyway? I beg, let's hear what. Even if you're a lawyer, must you see lawyers in court every day? Lookman says, so are you saying the announcement to conduct LG election in Rivers State is legal? Is the process also legal? Do you need to be a lawyer to understand that when the Constitution stipulated 3 months awareness before election? I wonder. And the man is just misbehaving, doing anything that he likes, and you people think that it is okay. It is well. Mr. Guy says he has not practiced law for once, but blindly interpreting law to suit his purpose, and any case that tends to offend his action is reassigned to a pliable judge who dismisses it on technical grounds. Certainly, Nigeria will know the truth after this regime. We will definitely know it. Kenneth Sunday says, you lied. He has won almost all the cases he ever took to court. Namely, he has won all the cases he took to court. No, not the case he took to court. The cases that he actually won by himself. And namely, 17 all wells from Imo State. He won all wells from Bayelsa. He won local government autonomy. He won all against Obama and his political merchants like you. Even his re-election, both for his candidates. He won for our dear President Tinubu. Must sit by himself before you bow for him. Bow for who? Bow for who? Bow for Wike. You don't know what you are saying. Okeme says you are right. It's like Wike study law at the motor park. I'm telling you. Apupu says only judges interpret the law. This Albino should stop brewing crisis. I beg, let's say only judges interpret the law. So you think lawyers do not know the interpretation of the law? Lawyers only persist their opinion of the law. It is the bench that decides whether a lawyer is right or wrong. We hear you. Nabuko Jacob says, very correct. His interpretation of the law is laced with selfishness and greed. Apart from that, he's not intelligent. Me, I even know that. No intelligent person will talk the way Wike talks. He's not. He's definitely not intelligent. He's not. Godfrey says, during 2023 presidential election, Wike was taking breakfast with judges and law enforcement in Rivers State House. So you know what that means. I already know what that means. Adolisi says he graduated not quite long now. When did he graduate again? It is well. Agbogidi says Wike and Pibat are the de facto heads of the judiciary in Nigeria. Tonye Commander says the judicial system he has already pocketed. He has pocketed them. It's easy to build house for judges. It is well. My listeners, don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.